Dual Estates isn't celebrating Women's Day, it is celebrating Women's Week. And in acknowledging their fortitude, here are a few women from Dual telling us about how their inner strength finds meaning in everything that they do.
Being a part of dual workplace, it is a very great opportunity, I would say. And working here and being as a woman, I feel supported, respected, and given lots of opportunities which I have not received in the workplace that I have worked earlier.
So, being a part of Duel, I am happy to be a part of this organization, and I have learned a lot from my seniors, all my heads, and especially from my managers. And my colleagues have also taught me many new things as I'm new to this industry. And secondly, being valued as a woman, especially I feel valued to be as a mother because I am a role model for my kids and I'm very happy to pursue that and the best of my abilities.
हाय, मी रुपाली सुरेश भिसे. लास्ट 7 इयर्सपासून मी इथे काम करते. तर मला इथं हा स्टाफ खूप सपोर्टिव्ह वाटतो आणि 7 वर्षापासून जो मी अनुभव घेतलेला आहे, तर हा स्टाफ खूप हेल्प करतो आणि मला नवीन-नवीन काही शिकायला भेटतं आणि परत डिव्हिन स्टेटमध्ये असे दर प्रत्येक वर्षी वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम वगैरे होतात. त्यामध्ये आम्हाला मोटिव्हेशन भेटतं. आणि ह्या मोटिव्हेशनमध्ये आम्ही प्रत्येक म्हणजे इंडियन जे कल्चर आहेत, वेगवेगळे सण वगैरे इथे साजरे करतो.